This is the Oxy Simple Green Total Outdoor Cleaner Pressure Washer Concentrate. You get 1 gallon here. This stuff works great. I'm a repeat buyer of this concentrate. It just does an excellent job. I'm currently using it with the Stanley Power Pressure Washer here, and you just fill up this container right here. It just goes on the end of the power washer. It just works phenomenal. You just basically put that on. I usually let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, and it just does a phenomenal job getting any dirt, debris, grime off there. It just does an excellent job. I like the fact that you could get this in a 1 gallon size here. I have tried some other ones that do a really good job, but we do power washing in bulk. We do property management, so we're always cleaning something needs to be cleaned, so we like picking this up. Again, it's a 1 gallon container here. So if you're not gonna use it with the power wash, it does have a section on the back here to just tell you basically what mixture to use if you wanna put it like in a spray bottle, or if you just wanna concentrate, mix it with some water so you could just use it in a different fashion other than the pressure washing. But I'm very pleased with this stuff. If you got some dirt and grime on your areas outside, absolutely want to check this out. Again, it's the Oxy Simple Green Total Outdoor Cleaner Pressure Wash Concentrate in the 1 gallon size.